Entries are there anywhere, okay? I cleared it, your name, your father name, address, phone numbers, email ID, everything, okay? Hope fine, right? Didn't I miss it, right? Anything? No, I didn't miss anything, okay? First, in the header part, start with your full name, okay? And email ID. Email ID can be kept it in right side. You can keep it like this, okay? And phone number, email ID are must along with your name. These three are mandatory, okay? So LinkedIn ID also you can give, okay? But when you are giving LinkedIn ID, okay, LinkedIn is most professional one. So nowadays, if anyone get in resume, na, immediately they will see the LinkedIn profile, not Facebook, WhatsApp, and all. Okay. So in the LinkedIn, keep don't create it. If you keep it, okay. First of all, if you don't have proper experience, then don't keep it. Or if you keep it, then keep maintain your LinkedIn profile also. Okay, is matching with your defined experience here. You're understanding it. So let's say you kept 8 years here, and in 8 years you kept maybe all these companies, all these tools and all. Okay, but if I go here and then in LinkedIn I found like, okay, you updated yesterday and then you posted one post like, okay, excited to join in IT. You're getting what I'm trying to say? I'm seeing so many posts nowadays saying like, first today in IT career. Okay, excited to be part of this company. So those kind of posts you may get it, you may keep it, correct?
Yes.
You're getting what I'm
Yes,
trying
sir.
to say, ma? When someone sees that and then compare your profile there, then it is a conflict. They will get to know about whether you have really experience or not. Okay. So when you mention LinkedIn profile, make sure that whatever the resume is having here, whatever the resume you are uploading in Naukri or job profile, everything is aligned in the LinkedIn profile also. Or don't mention anything. Make it very general. First point, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Everyone clear? Yes. Okay. Now see here, experienced in 8 years of ITSM ServiceNow admin. Where is development, ma? Development is missing. Okay. So are you trying only with admin? Then yes, fine. They don't consider you for developments. You may get a little calls less. Okay. Incident management, data analysis, process improvements, quality functions. Okay, fine. Proven ability to manage a team and adapt the business requirements. So this particular statement is you. This is like a high level you. Okay. So when I read this particular thing, what I get a sense is you are a ServiceNow administrator. Just give me a second. You are a ServiceNow administrator with a little bit of leading knowledge, and also you have some data analysis knowledge, and you are belongs to testing also. Is that correct? Is my understanding correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you didn't mention anything respect to a ServiceNow implementation, ServiceNow development. So that implementations development that should be here. That should be there here. Okay. Okay, fine. So skill set. This is good because ITL V4. If you have ITL V4, it gives little advantage. Like this gives a. It's not an advantage, but it gives a kind of impression that you know the ITSM process well. You know problem management, incident management, change management. Okay. Fundamental certified. We can mention CSA. Okay. Fundamental means okay. It is like admin CSA certificate. You can mention, or you can just give CSA abbreviation. Reporting. Advanced skill in reporting and dashboard, worked as user management, okay, experience and configuration, business rules, okay, good workflows, service request, it's not service request, it's service catalogs, okay, creation of catalog items, record producer, user guide, it's not user guide, it's order guide, okay, the ability to lead business reviews, okay, quarterly reviews, so this is more like lead, okay, major incident, what is the difference between incident and major incident?
High priority incidents for customer.
No,
So
no,
anything that has an SLA.
it's okay, ma. No, no, it's okay, ma. We are not discussing it. Okay, so here you mentioned something that you know it, but you don't know it. So you need to review these kind of things. Okay, I'm reviewing as with respect to an interviewer. I am now an interviewer. Okay, my way of reading the words is how an interviewer will read and how he will get a impression. I don't want answers here. Okay, I'm just hitting it. That's it. Incident management, you got it. Profile in MS Office. This it is not required, ma. Okay, it is for freshers, we may give this kind of thing, MS Office, Excel, okay, these things. But for a experienced people, we don't keep these basic things. So please try to remove it. Okay, internal audits, good. Power BI reporting tool, yes, good. Process improvement, maybe you can elaborate little bit here. Agile mindset, agile agile methodology is fine, but I don't know what is mindset. I never heard it. Just please review this word. Okay. So on overall, this is good, but whatever you mentioned it, you should be knowing it. When I say major incident is not an incident. Even it don't store in incident table. Okay. So know it and then keep it. And also, it is not a user guide. It's order guide. So these kind of small things. Now, when I see this one, I can see few gaps here. And when I ask about it, you say something high priority incidents. No, it's not high priority incident. So I get little deviation. Okay, the content you posted here is not relevant to you. You are getting it, ma? So please keep the right wordings and whatever you know, you just keep it. That's it. Don't keep it unnecessary things. Maybe now you know integration, you know LDAP integration. Those things you can just keep it here. Two more lines. You can remove this one. Or if you kept it, know about it and then keep it. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Till this point? Okay. Everyone, till this point, any questions, ma? Don't ask questions, sir. What is this? What is this? But what we discussed, the content or essence of this particular review, till this point is clear?
Clear, sir.
Yes. Okay. Now, here in the email also, be aware. Don't create emails like, okay, uh, Anil, okay, yes, snow.com. Anil, okay, servicenow.com. Don't create like this. Okay, if your name is anil.mark, you just keep anil.mark, okay, maybe some prefix and then create properly. Okay, servicenow1.com, testqa.com, those kind of things, don't do it. You can keep it, but if I say anilmark.snow.com, then you created one for snow, and immediately we will get an impression that you are not a genuine guy. Okay, it is not directly proportional, ma, but it may give some chances. That's what my intention is. You are getting it,
Yes, sir.
everyone? Is this clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Snow, service now one, service now 1 2 3, snow 1 2 3. Okay, testing QA 1 2 3. Don't create like that. Okay. That's where the indication is. Just professionally create it. Anil dot mark. Okay, your maybe your something that like you just use that way. Yeah. Any questions, ma? Yes, no. Till this point. Okay. No. See here, the next important thing is experience. Experience. Okay, it follows first to last. That means current to previous. Okay. So from April 2022 to present, he is working with HCL technology. Okay. Now, you may get a question here like, okay, which is your parent company? Which is your payroll company? Is it HCL? This is what the meaning of this line. Okay. If yes, keep it. If no, then you need to justify saying HCL is my client and my payroll company is some XYZ, where you took the documentation for pay. Okay, you need to balance the wordings accordingly. Okay. Or you no need to keep the organization also. Maybe you can say, see, for maybe if you take some documentation from some consultancy, okay, and from that consultancy you directly work for a client. The client is a financial bank, so you can mention a financial bank name here, okay, and you can tell my payroll company is this one. No need to mention HCL if you don't have any proper evidence of HCL documentation. You're getting it, ma? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please take care of it. Joined HCL as a technical specialist for ServiceNow and incident management. What is the meaning of this one, ma? So it is okay. So let it be. ServiceNow infra processing, ITSM processing, management, alert monitoring, cab meeting. So this particular one is not a developer profile. It is just a support profile. Okay. So this is how it is indicating it. Good. Now, okay. So that is also just see the gap 2022 April to present. So that means from last 6 months you are not doing any development. This is what it is giving. Okay. Then May 19 to 29 here also ITSM, PI, Power BI. Okay, here I can see something. Okay, maybe it's related to ServiceNow. Good. And here this is completely non-ServiceNow. So this is again non-ServiceNow, non-ServiceNow. Okay. Academic records, it's fine. You can keep it, but not this much lengthy. Okay. What is the qualification? What is the percentage and where? That's it. Three are fine. So this small, okay, it is fine, ma. No objections here. This much of personal details is not required. Father name, house address, strengths, hobbies. Okay, this is more for fresher resumes, but for experienced resumes, now we no need to give. And declarations, okay, this is also not required. So this entire part can be trimmed. Fine, everyone. Academic goals, yes, maybe you can keep it. It gives little impression, but they don't care, ma. I, I'm, I'm just frankly telling with respect to how an interviewer. Okay, till this point they will see, and then they will just have a look, and then they just skip it. They not even read what you have mentioned here. Watching WWF, WWE, FIFA World Cup, that and all doesn't matter for them. You're understanding, ma? I'm not pointing to a specific person here. Okay, everyone. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if I review this particular resume, I not even go for first round of interview also, ma. Why? Because it is giving a sense that you didn't do any development from last 6 months, and previous 1 year also you didn't mention any implement. See here, you mentioned something project. Okay, but if you see implementing training and coaching program for all teams, that is like a leading internal incident audit, that is also incident management support. Okay, and here if you see something support ServiceNow development team with admin tasks, so you just, this is 100% admin job, admin profile. Okay, so as I said so many times, admins, they don't prefer admins now. Chances will be 20% out of 100. You have to mention as a developer, and also you need to mention what you implemented specifically for a development. This is very important. Okay, so during this time for this particular client, I implemented this one, incident management. In the incident management, what you implemented? Just 2 lines. Okay, catalogs, created these many catalogs, developed these many workflows. Integration, this integration has been configured. So what is the purpose of the integration? 2 lines. Okay, so along with that, just keep 3 more lines like followed agile methodology. Okay, to cover all the agile life cycle, team, good team player. Okay, and mentor the team members, freshers, something, all and all you can keep it. You're getting it? Yes, no, this point is
Yes,
clear, my
sir.
everyone. Yes, sir. So this is the review of this particular resume. Okay, and now second part is, everyone are asking one question, sir, how to explain your self introduction?